Which of the following countries are well known as the two largest cocoa producers in the world? A. Algeria and Morocco. B. Botswana and Namibia. C. Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana. D. Madagascar and Mozambique. Correct answer: C. Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana. These two West African countries dominate global cocoa production. Côte d'Ivoire is the world's largest cocoa producer. Ghana is the second largest producer. Together, they account for over 55 to 60% of the world's cocoa supply, which is why most global chocolate industries depend heavily on them. Why these two countries lead the world in cocoa. 1. Ideal geographic and climatic conditions. Both countries lie in the humid tropical belt of West Africa, near the equator. Temperature, approximately 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. Year-round high humidity and heavy rainfall. Rich, well-drained forest soils. These are textbook conditions for Theobroma cacao, the cocoa tree, which is very climate-sensitive. 2. Sheer scale of production. Côte d'Ivoire is the #1 producer globally. Ghana is the #2 producer. Together they contribute around 55 to 60% of global cocoa output. This concentration is so high that any weather issue or political disruption here affects global chocolate prices. 3. Historical specialization, colonial legacy, modern dominance. Cocoa was introduced and expanded during the colonial period as a cash crop. Over decades, both countries built farmer knowledge and tradition, national marketing boards, export infrastructure, research institutes for cocoa quality. Cocoa became a backbone of rural livelihoods and national export earnings. 4. Smallholder farming ecosystem. Millions of small farmers grow cocoa on 2 to 5 hectare plots. Labor-intensive processes, harvesting, fermenting, drying, are well mastered locally. Intergenerational knowledge keeps quality consistent. 5. Strong global trade link. Major chocolate companies source heavily from here because of consistent bean quality, established supply chains, bulk availability at scale. Why the other options are incorrect. Option: countries. Why incorrect? A. Algeria and Morocco. Arid/Mediterranean climates, unsuitable for cocoa. B. Botswana and Namibia. Dry, semi-arid, no cocoa cultivation. D. Madagascar and Mozambique. Madagascar grows fine/flavor cocoa but very small volume. Mozambique is not a major producer. Exam takeaway: UPSC style fact. West Africa equals cocoa heartland of the world. Côte d'Ivoire plus Ghana equals more than half of global cocoa. If a question asks about largest cocoa producers, think West Africa first. Correct answer: option C.